everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm making a very simple remedy. I'm seeing some fine lines and I also see some blackheads. This has some fine line and unnecessary blackheads. So I'm going to begin by breaking some eggs. I have some eggs right here. What I need from here is actually the egg yolk. Okay, use egg yolk. I'm also going to be using this aloe vera. Okay, so I'm actually looking for my knife so I can cut off some aloe vera. I have some aloe vera right here that I'm going to be adding to my egg. Okay, so what I need from this aloe vera is the gel. So getting the gel, I'm just going to cut off it just a little bit. I'll remove this portion and then I will now scrape my aloe vera. My aloe vera will go in. See the gel? That's what I need from my aloe vera to go into my bowl. Okay, I'll mix the two together and this is going to perform miracle on my face. Okay. So I'm just going to use this to whip it together so that it can come together so well. I'm just going to dish a little bit that I will be using today. I will put that in this small little jar. This is the size I'm using today. Will go in there. Okay, I've already washed my face. I don't want to, okay. So I'll take 1 spoon right here. I'll put it in, okay. Majority of my aloe vera I've already mixed into it. So to finish this whole thing, what I want to do is to add a very tiny little bit of and this will make my face, the egg will make my face dry, and so will the aloe vera. Okay, so in that case, I also need to put something that will actually help brighten my face. Okay, and that's my sandalwood powder. It will help when I mix it together. I'm not mixing it with everything. I'm saving the rest, but I'm mixing the sandalwood powder with the portion I'm going to be using only. Okay, and then I will now put a drop of vitamin E oil for moisturizing my face. Okay, so that the dryness will not be too much. So I'll put, okay, this is my vitamin E oil, 30,000 IU, so it's perfect. Okay, and it's okay to go ahead and put vitamin E oil in this one that I'm going to save. So I'm putting enough in it. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share this video with everyone to benefit from it. So here we are. This is the portion that is going into my face today. And let me tell you, this thing works quickly. It works rapidly to remove unnecessary fine lines from your face. They will disappear after 3 to 5 days. But I just started seeing them, so I only need it for like 3 days because I have tried this before. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share this video with everyone. Thank you. I'm just going to use my brush. Let me use one of my brushes. This is how I'm going to apply it right here. You see, this is how it goes onto my face, and then I will allow it to dry up. I'm going to keep it for like 30 minutes. Okay, Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, and then you wash it off after 30 minutes, and then you use your moisturizer. Thank you.